Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Attorney General Pam Bondi. She just leveled a political earthquake, and it's going to reverberate across this nation. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. There's been a growing problem in this country, in this beautiful, beautiful country of ours. And that's rogue judges. Rogue judges with their own agenda, their own interpretation of the law. Let me explain this to you. Most of you know this, but for those that don't, let me explain how government works in this country, how it's supposed to work. The legislature crafts the law. The judiciary then interprets that law and levies punishments, fines, and what have you. The executive branch is to make sure the law is enforced. We are a country ruled by the law. That's who rules this country. Not a king, not even a president. The law. But the law has been so abused, so manipulated. You have so many judges crafting their own laws out of their mind, essentially, on the bench, deciding their own terms of enforcement and what they will and will not enforce. It's insanity. It's absolute insanity. It's gone wild. And it has to be brought under control, and that is exactly what Pam Bondi and the Department of Justice is finally doing. And they're doing it against Judge Boasberg. You remember Bozo the clown? You remember him, right? Well, he's been a thorn in the side of President Trump's immigration enforcement from day one. And then he's talked about Trump off the record, well, on the record, but not even in a court of law. He's just talking smack on the president. You can't do that as a judge. And now? Well, now he's going to have to pay for that because Ms. Bondi, she's filed an official ethics complaint against this guy. And I say good. Get him off the bench. Get this. We don't need guys like this. We need guys who enforce the law fairly. I don't want him to favor Trump. I don't want him to be against Trump. Just want him to enforce the law as it's written. I want you guys to watch this report and let me know what you think in the comments.
Trump's original 50-day deadline, calling that unacceptable. The Justice Department filed a misconduct complaint against federal judge James Boasberg yesterday. Now, that complaint accuses Boasberg of making improper public comments about the president. The judge has sparred with the Trump administration for months over its deportations of Venezuelan men to El Salvador. The complaint accuses Boasberg of making improper public comments about the president to Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts and other federal judges. He allegedly warned that the Trump administration could, quote, disregard rulings of federal courts and trigger a constitutional crisis. The complaint will be reviewed and either dismissed or referred to a committee for investigation. Meanwhile, President Trump's push to keep his former defense lawyer, Alina Habba, as New Jersey's top federal prosecutor, that's prompted a legal challenge in and of itself. A lawyer for the man facing drug and gun charges in the